Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Richwood, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is not easy to complete. It requires more planning, manpower, and few permits to cross state or country lines and complete a long-distance shift. And if you are moving everything on your own, it will become difficult for you to manage legalities alongside packing and shifting. Plus, we share a good working relationship with the local federal association. So, we hold the necessary legal permits. Our movers are trained to handle your delicate, edgy, and heavyweight items. And additionally, we provide insurance on products that are being shifted through us. Meaning, in case of wear and tear, the damage will be borne by us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Richwood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.